My name is Tessa Isbell, and I work in education in the career tech system. And my hobby, if I'm not at home or work, is the gym. And I've been a CrossFit athlete for about 9 years now.
My name is Brett Cortese. I work for an alcohol distributor in sales, and my hobby is golf.
My name is Trent Pitt. I'm an optometrist at Oklahoma City Vision. Big hobby of mine is playing golf. My biggest concerns when I started seeing Grant was just, I have chronic lower right back pain. It's been bothering me for years. And so Grant's been able through treatment to keep my lower right back much more lucid, which helps me a lot with my golf swing, helps me sleep better at night too, a lot less tossing and turning.
I had shoulder surgery and hip surgery within the span of a few years due to lingering injury from playing sports in high school. And then with my hip, we got into a car accident and I had to have surgery on my hip to repair some ligaments and bone in there. Since coming to Summit, I feel a lot better. I move a lot easier. I don't have the pain that I had in all the other ligaments and the joints, and getting back into alignment has really helped out a lot. I just feel so much better.
Before I came to Summit, I had just kind of off and on like lower back pain, but really what brought me in is I had some persistent and like nagging, lingering elbow pain, and it was starting to prohibit my workouts. So I came in for that. Initially, we were looking through the assessment and everything and noticed that I actually had some limited mobility, range of motion issues in my shoulder, and even my grip strength was off on my left side as well.
So normally when I would go to my other chiropractor, it's more of just about spinal alignment, cracking my back, things like that. Whereas with Grant, it's totally different. It's a lot of soft tissue manipulation, cupping and things like that really sort of helps my lower back relax a lot more, keeps mobility in my lower back.
So actually before I came to see Grant for my issue, I'd been to my primary care physician and he referred me to PT, and I'd seen a chiropractor for my back issues before, and a lot of times those appointments were pretty quick. Not that the people didn't care, but it was quick. If it was a chiropractor, it was an adjustment, I was there for 15 minutes or less. My problems really persisted. They didn't let up in any way, shape, or form. So whenever I came here, the appointment, it was a lot longer. It was a lot more in depth. There's also a lot of soft tissue manipulation, cupping, dry needling, and then a dedicated time to show me exercises, and not just show me exercises, but what I could do just like on a regular basis to continue to improve my mobility. So it's just the length of time and the depth of knowledge is a lot different.
I would absolutely recommend Summit to anybody, not just golfers, not just people who work out constantly, anybody. Anybody should come here and fix the problems that have been ailing you for a long time. Me personally, I know exactly how it feels. I mean, it's having constant pain and then coming here and doing away with that pain and in a way that it doesn't come back is extremely beneficial for everybody. Everybody could be using this.